Audi RS5 just did something risky. It gained a plug, kept the rage, and added a rear-end trick that could make old-school Quattro fans question everything. Because this is not Audi quietly saving fuel. This is Audi weaponizing electricity. The new RS5 sedan takes the classic fast Audi formula and flips it. Before, the RS5 was the clean, sharp, all-weather performance choice. Quick, classy, controlled. But now, Audi has pushed it into a stranger world. Part luxury sedan, part electric commuter, part backroad hooligan, and the first clue is the look. In progressive red, this thing does not whisper. It walks into the room wearing a tailored suit and brass knuckles. The body's wider than the regular A5, with swollen arches, a deeper front face, and that big honeycomb grille staring like it has unpaid speeding tickets. The dark matrix LED headlights add a checkered flag light signature, because subtlety clearly took the day off. Around the back there's a muscular diffuser, matte oval exhaust tips, and a ducktail-style rear shape that makes the sedan look lower, wider, and meaner. But the paint is only the distraction. The real story is hiding under the skin. Audi has paired a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor built into an 8-speed transmission. Together, they deliver up to 639 PS and 609 pound-feet of torque. That means this sedan is not just chasing the BMW M3 and Mercedes-AMG C63. It is walking into the fight with electric torque in one hand and Quattro traction in the other. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes about 3.6 seconds. Top speed can rise to 177 miles per hour with the right package. Those are serious numbers, but here's the twist. Straight line speed is not the clever part. The clever part is what happens at the rear axle. Audi calls it Quattro with dynamic torque control. The car can shift power between the rear wheels in milliseconds, not just to grip harder, but to rotate smarter. So when you power out of a corner, the outside rear wheel can get the shove it needs to help the car pivot. That is the secret sauce. For decades, Quattro meant grip, confidence, and bad weather dominance, but some critics also called fast Audis too safe, too clean, too unwilling to misbehave. This system feels like Audi heard the insults and built a technical comeback. There's even an RS Torque rear mode designed for maximum rear bias and controlled slides on closed courses. Yes, the sensible Audi now has a mode that basically says, let's be irresponsible, professionally. But this car has a second personality. Drive it gently, and the RS5 can run on electric power alone for city trips. Audi claims more than 50 miles of electric city range, depending on conditions. So your daily commute can be quiet, smooth, and low emission. Then press the boost button, and the polite sedan remembers it has an RS badge. For 10 seconds, the system unlocks maximum acceleration. The gearbox grabs the right ratio, the V6 wakes up, the exhaust opens, and the car goes from office parking lot to Autobahn fantasy. Inside, Audi goes full screen mode. You get an 11.9-inch digital cockpit, a 14.5-inch central touch display, and a 10.9-inch passenger display. The driver gets RS-specific graphics, shift lights, performance data, lap timing, tire information, and even driving analysis. That matters because this car is not only trying to be fast, it is trying to make the driver feel informed, connected, and slightly dangerous. The cabin still does the Audi thing well: sharp design, premium materials, supportive sport seats, and enough tech to make a gaming setup jealous. Add carbon trim, contrast stitching, and RS details, and it feels special without turning into a nightclub. Now, here's the question: did hybrid power ruin the RS5? No, it changed the mission. This is not the light, simple sports sedan purists dream about. It is heavier, more complex, and packed with software. But that is also the point. Performance cars are entering a new era where speed alone is not enough. They need range, efficiency, instant torque, data, drama, and daily usability. The new Audi RS5 is Audi's answer to that future. It can glide through town silently, it can launch like a missile, it can analyze your laps, it can shuffle torque at the rear axle faster than your brain can process a corner. And in progressive red, it looks like it knows exactly what it is doing. This is not just a new RS5. It is Audi Sport proving the plug-in hybrid era does not have to be boring. It can be red, loud, technical, and just a little bit unhinged.